What's up everybody, how are you guys doing? Thank you so much for joining me on today's video, and if you're new here, karibu sana. My name is Rozitta and this is the place where we embody truth. It's 2021, you guys. Like, we have crossed over into a new year, and I'm so excited and grateful to God for giving all of us a chance and a new chapter of our lives, you know. And on that note, today's video we are going to be creating a vision board for this year. Let me know in the comment section below, have you ever done a vision board before? Ama you just move and unasema tu liwe liwalo? Let me know in the comment section below. In case you haven't subscribed, tafadhali make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Coming up, so you might be asking yourself, why would you want to go through the hassle of creating a vision board? Honestly, why I've decided to create one is because I've had so many testimonies and testimonials from people after they created vision boards, how so much changed in their lives. Like, they literally achieved whatever they wanted to achieve. Like, if somebody wanted to, say, fly to Dubai that year, it happened somehow. And I was like, maybe all I need to do is also get serious with my life and create a vision board, you know. And let me be honest with you guys, ata sije create bado, but I'd already printed whatever I want to put on my board. And honestly, one of those things I wanted for this year has already started coming to pass. And I'm thinking somebody should have told me kitambo if this is the secret, you know. But listen, I'm not saying that the power is in the vision board, the power is in the vision. So we're creating a vision and putting it on a board so that we can always see it and it can always motivate us throughout the year. You know how so many people begin January, now akona motto. Okay, you didn't get that, okay fine. Like, they're so fiery and stuff, but ikifika March, you're wondering December itafika lini, twende the next year so that I can change. No. This year we have been serious because 2021 is that year, you know. So what do you need to create a vision board? Definitely you are going to need a board. So initially I had said I'm going to use this Manila, but nika realize my images are too big, they can't fit on this Manila. So I put it aside and decided to improvise what I got for my graduation. I got this mountain, it's so heavy. I got this for my graduation, and on the back it's black, so I decided I'm just going to use this so that on one side I am celebrating my graduation, and on the other side I have my visions mounted. You know, it's heavy. Use whatever we have. Remember, we are not trying to spend money on a vision board, we are trying to create money, right? So after getting a vision board or wherever you're going to put your images, in Manila, next up you're going to have to know what you want to achieve that year. And the secret is in being very detailed. Be specific what you want. Yeah. So after deciding whatever you want to gain that year or achieve that year, write it down. Then look for images that go hand in hand with that, with whatever you want to achieve, and make sure that that image is something that inspires you. It's not something kwamba mwingine akiona inamuinspire. No, it is for you. It's your vision board. Let it be something that is going to inspire you to work towards it. Yeah. After getting the images you want from Google or Pinterest or a magazine, go ahead and print them out, or if it's from a magazine, just go ahead and cut them. So after that, you are going to print, and here are what I've printed for my vision board. Then you're going to need scissors because you want to go ahead and trim your your papers, whatever you have printed, so that they're not so large on the vision board. Secondly, next you're going to need cell tape or office pins or anything you can use to stick your papers on that board. If you have glasses, this would be a good time to put them on, because you know we want to increase our vision. See what I did there? See? Yeah, so after that you're ready to begin, and that's just what I'm going to dive into right now, because as I have said, 2021 is that year. This is that year, and we are taking it to the next level. Yeah, tutaki mchezo hii mwaka. We don't want jokes. We're not playing, you're not joking, because we are going to the next level. Speaking of the next level, if you would like to wear a next level t-shirt, check the description box below to make your order to get your t-shirt. I'm told they are available in different colors. I wanted mine in purple, and isn't it cute? And not just cute, it's reminding me that I'm going to the next level. So make sure you get your t-shirt. Without wasting time, let's just dive onto creating the vision board. So I've just completed making my vision board, and it looks so awesome. I'm so excited about it, and I think I'm already feeling the positive energy, you know. I'm psyched up for this year, and as I've said, one of those things has already come up, has already happened, and what it is my YouTube monetization. It's underway, and I'm going to do a video. I'm going to film the process of how to monetize in 2021, because it's not as people had said last year, because people were like, in 2021 the terms are going to change. So if you're watching this and you haven't yet monetized your channel, hear it from me. The terms are still the same: 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, and it's already happening for me. You guys, I'm so excited, and I can't wait to do that video for you. So I'm throwing the challenge to you: create one for yourself, and if you do that, let me know in the comment section below, and let me know how it makes you feel. And at the end of this year, let's remember to give testimonies related to what we had put on our vision boards, and that's a challenge I'm throwing to all of us, to see how what God will do for us this year. And now for that, I'm suggesting, once God does something for you, don't just thank him and forget about it. Note it down on paper, or if it's an image, take a photo of it and document it. And come December, we are going to do a testimonial board. I've never heard of such a thing, but yes, we are going to create a board of testimonies showing what God will have done for us this year. Otherwise, that's it for today's video. I hope you have been challenged to create your vision board, because we are going to the next level. And don't forget to get your t-shirt of next level. Tukutane on that next level. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye, and have a wonderful year ahead.